There was a fierce fight between the Arabs and the Christians. One group who did not want to belong to either one sought an option, and the option was the Hebrew faith. So what you are calling Jews are Europeans of the Hebrew faith. Many times they live in communities of their choice. They did certain kinds of work that other Europeans did not want to do and became so good at it, they dominated it. Portable wealth, gold, jewelry. And because they sold small things called jewelry, out of which came the word Jew. A European word that has nothing to do with their origin in Western Asia or Northern Africa, when they were just Western Asian people of the Hebrew faith. You find large numbers of people of the Hebrew faith in India. You find some in China, some in the South Sea Islands. But the European tries to dominate everything he is a part of. My main point is that Zionism and the spread of colonialism walk side by side. In the mythological historical alliance people are speaking about never existed. And that the infiltration of Jews into our organizations, conspicuously giving $1 and making sure their picture got taken while they're giving it, was an element of control.
All right. All right.
Their job was to control the mind. They filtered into positions in education where they could control the curricula, which is the control of the mind. This is the heart and soul of the viciousness of what Zionism has done. You've got Holocaust curriculums mandated. Our children now must write essays on the Holocaust and dare not study the history of slavery. And you got teachers who will not teach African history and can get away with it because the union is not going to do anything about it.
Right.
Someone took exception to me referring to a Jewish academic mafia. There is a Jewish academic mafia.
All right. All right.
And people are afraid of that academic mafia.
All right.
I encountered that just today. We were supposed to go with our brothers and discuss Zionism, its history, its mechanics. And some of our brothers decided that maybe the subject is a little too delicate. So we had to come here in the slave theater and talk about it. And yet we've always had a sympathetic attachment to the Jewish people because we think they are the people of the book. That's because we don't know the book.
That's right. All right. All
We're talking about Europeans, no different from any other Europeans, as racist as any other Europeans, as ruthless as any other Europeans.
All right.
You think you're talking about Moses' relatives.
That's right.
Moses had nothing to do with the people we're talking about.
All right.